Thinkwater started in 2007 when a group of 32 irrigation stores who were members of what was then called the Independent Water Group got together and decided to operate collectively rather than separately. They realised that their brand value would be far greater as a group than what it was individually. They generally wanted to achieve three core things. 1. Build a strong and well-recognised national brand. 2. Engage in national and collective marketing activities. And 3. Build a stronger relationship with the top industry suppliers. So in May 2007, the Thinkwater brand was launched in Australia. In 2010, Thinkwater started to think about expanding to New Zealand. By the end of 2010, Thinkwater opened its first stores in New Zealand. Since then, Thinkwater has grown to reach 50 stores across 2 countries. So we have grown from a loose band of independently owned businesses to a collective of commonly branded businesses in 2 countries. So truly an international brand.
At Thinkwater, we carry a wide range of irrigation and water management products like water pumps, filtration, firefighting systems, water tanks, irrigation supplies and much, much more.
Because we are a diverse range of businesses across the nation, there are a huge range of customers that we appeal to. Our services can support local government, golf courses, agriculture, horticulture, broadacre irrigations, dairy and a lot more. We also service clients with water treatment and water quality systems.
A typical Thinkwater store will have a retail base, selling a wide range of irrigation and water management products to the general public and industry. There are thousands of products in a typical Thinkwater store. Just about all Thinkwater stores also provide design, installation, service and ongoing maintenance of small to large irrigation and pumping projects. So you come to a Thinkwater store not only expecting to buy the right products, but also to get the right advice for your project.
My name's Wayne Tickle. I've been at Ballina Golf Club for the past 23 years. We've trusted Thinkwater with our latest project, which was a pump station upgrade. And yeah, you wouldn't get anyone to do a better job than what Lee and Thinkwater have done.
The irrigation pump station here was about 23 years old and showing sign of corrosion and was working fairly inefficiently. The filtration was also giving problems, it was corroding. The club engaged us as independent consultants to have a look at replacing the pumping plant with something more efficient. Our initial studies indicated that they could save up to 12 to 15% of their annual operating costs by putting a new pumping plant in. We were very fortunate to have Thinkwater winning the tender successfully out of 3 contractors who were invited. Thinkwater were very professional, they're local as well, which made everybody very happy, and the outcome was brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
Yes, my name's Jeff Bottomley. I'm the General Manager of this business. We specialise in fresh cut flowers and we also have a tulip farm and we've got a few macadamias. Irrigation is absolutely essential to our operation. We put underground mains in. We've got about 2 kilometres of 150mm underground mains. We've got 3 bore pumps, everything from Thinkwater, 4 irrigation pumps above ground, and of course numerous sprinklers for the overhead irrigation in the shade house, which is set piece, which is all computerised. I found it very good dealing with Thinkwater because their advice is very good. They recommend good products and the right products.
I work for a company called Perfection Fresh, but I also run this venture, which is a registered company called Tulip Raspberries. And this is a property that my fiancée Natalie and I own in conjunction with a neighbouring property which is called Mountain Blue Blueberry Farm. What we've got done is the development of this hydroponic system with the raspberries, which is basically growing in a substrate with a dripper system, which is a controlled dripper system which delivers both fertiliser and water precisely over a set period or any time. People have been offered very good service, very good support, have been very communicated in terms of their response and the project, and certainly getting back to us with various questions. I think and Think Water have been very good in all aspects.
For real ideas and real solutions, contact your nearest Think Water store now. For Australia, visit thinkwater.com.au. For New Zealand, visit thinkwater.co.nz. Each store is locally owned and operated. Think Water, beyond irrigation.